Alright, this is the NauticStar 2019 223 DC. Length overall is 22 foot 7 inches. It's got an 8.5 foot beam, 12-inch draft for shallow water. It's 2,873 pound dry weight. It's got a 62-gallon fuel tank, and it is a 10-person capacity boat. One of the things you'll notice up here in the front is a very large bow. What's nice about this is if you pull into the dock, your passengers could actually just step right off the dock and onto the boat. And it's got a boarding ladder up here in the front, underneath its own little locker, LED running lights, your horn. Underneath this is your anchor, stowed away nice and flat and smooth. This particular model's in the titanium color. It's got a full wraparound windshield, ball and joint stainless steel sockets for your bimini top. It's powered with a Yamaha 150 outboard, stainless steel prop. As you'll notice, the NauticStars have got a lifetime hull warranty. Construction is fantastic on this boat. All the stringers are fiberglass. There's no wood in the boat. Worry about wood rot. Let's step up inside and I'll show you some of the features. You'll notice it's got a very nice walk-through. Very low profile, and your ski pylon. Plenty of cup holders are all stainless steel. You'll notice this walk-through, by the way, has got this cushion. When flipped down, it makes a very nice seat. The helm is very stylish, up to date. It's got your Infinity Bluetooth stereo system. Captain's chair has got a bolster flip up seat. Nice touches for embroidered NauticStar logo in the marine grade vinyl. This boat has got a 9-gallon sink, shower. Pull this out if you don't want to get into the water. You can actually just hose off with fresh water. All the seats are hinged. You'll notice that they don't just lift out, they lift up. Very cool. You've got a porta potty down in here. It's got a door block off. Cold days, you can close this, shut your windshield, block off all the rain and wind that will blow through the cockpit area. This boat has got an optional filler cushion that you could get if you wanted to fill all of this area in. This makes a great big sun pad. The boat is 8 foot 6 inches in width, so it'll accommodate quite a few people. Again, 10-person capacity. You've got more stainless steel speakers in the front, stainless steel cup holders in the front, storage on both sides, port and starboard. Comes with a full cover, cockpit and bow cover. You can see the nice U-shaped seating in the back. If you've not had an opportunity to check out the NauticStar lineup, come by and see me. I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman. Be glad to help you out, show you all the boats, see if we could find something that would work for you. Thank you.